Fire 021, do you copy over?
This is a beautiful region, but it also has its challenges. We have for 1 week now an exercise called Barents Rescue 2019.
Well, hopefully this exercise will pinpoint where do we struggle. And if we aren't able to find those areas, we haven't been planning this exercise in the right way.
We create a complex, severe situation with both the mountain, we have the river.
It's very important that we learn how to cooperate with others. And we have borders to Finland and Norway, so we do that a lot.
These accidents are happening in Sweden, so Sweden is leading the work, and every country is connected to the Swedish system that, as it would be if the accident happened in Norway or Finland, in Russia, then that country would lead the exercise, and that will happen also in Sweden.
We've first connected our network to Norway and just recently to Finland, and this is the next step where we add functionality which makes it possible for all three nations to cooperate on the same incident.
For instance, this communications network, I think that technically it's working quite well.
The RAKEL and the Finnish and the Norwegian is working together, and that is really worthwhile because few nations, if any, are able to communicate on these systems cross-border.
By combining our efforts to protect lives when there is a disaster, it's extremely valuable for the people living here.
Well, what we've seen through this exercise is enthusiasm. We've seen how rescue services come together, how they challenge each other, and how they really go into the task, trying to fix it in the best possible way.